Good day, guys. Being here. Today we are going to continue this exercise. So first we are going to add some glazing in this family, and then we're going to try to apply this onto a project. Okay, so let's start. So first, tab, select one of this family and edit family. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to just create a panel, use these three reference line. Okay, so this is the one we did last time. So select these three reference line and create a solid form. And then we just need to, because we want this to sit in the middle of this panel, so which is 200 mil. So we just need to type in, let's try -90 and 110. So make it 20 mil. So you will see this is a panel. If I change it to wireframe WF, so you will see it will be sitting in the middle. Okay, so continue. Let's do the other one. Select this reference line, create form, solid, type in -90 and 110. Okay, in the middle, and then we can also give this material. Okay, and then also this one. So you can, I think you can just, let me change it to shade SD. So you'll see this is transparent glass, and this one's not. Just need to select it and give it a material. Okay, so that's it. So now we can load this into here over right, and this will take probably a minute or two. I'll pause it. Okay, so let's have a look. Oops, maybe go back. Yep. So you can see these panels. No good. Oh, looks like there's some issue here. Okay, so it looks like some of the panel, I think it's probably some of the glass went the wrong direction, I think. Okay, we need to fix this. So okay, so let's select one of the family and edit family again. Maybe, so this time, maybe let's do this. So because these solid panel is 0 to 200, maybe we can make this one 100 on each side. So we don't, we can just create these glasses, use 10 to each side. So let's try this. Okay, so 100 to each side, and for the glass, we'll just type in 10 on each side. So I think this will should fix this issue. Okay. Okay, all good. Load this back and overwrite, and I'll pause again. Okay, so now all fixed, right? Great. Okay, so so the next one will be let's create. I'm going to create a project and try to use this family into that project. Okay, so first create a project from that architecture template, and I'll just draw some wall. Okay, so pretend this is my building, and okay, so I'm going to let's go to 3D view. So I'm going to place some this maybe in front of this wall. Okay, so hang on, let me just okay, this. Okay, so I'm going to create a facade in front of this. Okay, so pretend this is my building, and also maybe I'll change the wall height as well, so something like this. Okay, so this. Okay, so to use this, first we need to create a mass. Okay, so in a project it will be a model in place mass, and click OK. So and depending on you want curved or straight line, so it's up to you. So if you want to create curved, you can use spline through points. So for example, I'll just place some point following this wall, and maybe do this, and then can create a face. So this one, okay, and then we can use divided surface, and let's try maybe fixed distance and fixed distance. Try maybe 3. I'll just make it big panel, so less panel. Okay, so maybe that's too big. 1 meter by 1 meter, and also I'll type in, because I'm going to use that pattern, so I'm typing 45 degree, and then so we can go back to where is that one? So this one, and then load this into that project. Okay, and then we can select go back to 3D view again, select this divided surface, and change that to this. Okay, so this will take a little bit time. I think I'll pause. Okay, so now we have these panels, but unfortunately we can't use Dynamo in model in place mass. So let me show you. So if I go manage Dynamo, and let me just create a new, change this to menu, Revit selection, family type here. What's the name of that family? Family 4, type maybe 4 or F. Yep. Or element of a family type. I'll click run, and you will see this. It will only show run started, and it will never finish, so it won't work. So what we can do is, let me just go back to Revit. What we can do is we can copy this one. So currently this is model in place mass. Okay, so we can select this divided surface, Control C. Oh, hang on, something's not right. Can't copy. Let me just finish. I think. Oh, can't copy. Maybe that's fine. So we don't need to copy the component. Maybe I'll just delete delete all the family. Only copy this mass. Okay, so Control C. Yeah, and then we can go create a new conceptual mass. Okay, and then I'll just go modify and paste, and I'll just align to select level 1. Click OK. So now we have, so this is a mass exactly the same size to this one. Okay, so exactly the same. So now we can, in this conceptual mass, we can divide the surface. We can change the pattern. Fixed distance 1. I'll just make it 2 meters, so less family 2 meter and 45 degree, and then we can just we can go back to that panel, load this into that family, that conceptual mass. Okay, so load this in here. So now we can use Dynamo to adjust those the parameter of these families. Okay, now we have this, and then so let's go back to Dynamo. So I'll see if I think I saved that script. So oh, I can't even close it. So maybe let me try new or open. New. It won't allow me to. I can't even open. Anyway, I'll close it. Okay, let's do it again. Dynamo. And I think it's I can't remember which one. Sorry. I think it's 24, 22. Hey, let's try this one. I think this is the one. Okay, so if I click on run, yep, and you will see it will automatically adjust. And of course, the size. We still need to adjust the height, I believe. Yeah. Let me just have a look. Right click, preview. Okay, so this will be the center. I think it should be the same, but we just need to know how many. So we have 183, but what's this one? Which we need to match. So you will see this is too many. So that's why. So I'll just break this, and I'll try to match that number. So I think let's try. Oh, 200. Yeah, that's very close. Okay, let's 1 2 1 1. Okay, 182. Oh. Okay, let's pretend that's good enough. Now if we link this back and click on run again, so this time should be better. So you will see the middle one will be the opening will be bigger, and yeah, so you will see this is it. So depending on the height, you will see you all the you won't have this, you know, this create a curve, kind of follow that curve, because what we did in this is only use the height. Okay, so you can always, but you can always manually. So once you finish this one, you can always go back. So for example, let me change these and make them smaller, for example. So just go back and type in a number. Can't remember what number it need to be. Yeah, just you can always manually adjust these. Okay. Oops. I see. So you only have this pattern-based family. Okay. 0.2, maybe 0.15. So make them even. Oh, sorry. To make them smaller, it needs to be a bigger number. Yeah, something like that. So you can always manually adjust them if you want to. Okay, and then once you finish, so you can save this. Or you can. Oh, actually, this is a family. So Conceptual Mass, you can load this into that project. Almost there. Okay, so I'll just first just place it roughly. Yeah, it's a bit slow. I'll just place it here and escape. So make sure you, otherwise you will place multiple of this. Yeah, okay. So now we can, oh actually, hang on. I'm still in the model in place. Maybe not. So because we actually replaced this conceptual mass inside of this model in place mass. I don't think this is a good idea. So I'll just finish this mass. Okay. And let's have a look in 3D view. So you will see this is one thing. So model in place mass and also this conceptual mass. Let me just delete this thing and I'll just place another one. So only the conceptual mass. And yeah, press escape. So make sure you don't place multiple instance. So one, okay, here. So go to floor plan. So I'm just going to zoom in. MV move. Just pick this point roughly here, and move it onto your building. So roughly there. So just double check. Yeah. So if you place place the mass properly, so you will it will always match your project. Okay, so now this is it, and so it's a conceptual mass. We used Dynamo to adjust the pattern, and if you want to adjust it, you just need to edit this family, and then you can adjust them. And of course, if you want, if you need to adjust the building, you can always, or actually you can always have a model in place mass there. So you can have that hidden in background. So in case you need to update the shape, so you can always easily copy that shape from project to conceptual mass and then apply pattern-based family and load it back into a project. Okay, so this is it. I will upload this family, so this project for you, and also that Dynamo script, so you can have a play. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.